front of the pack. Arnold back to defend against Vega. Vega comes again and is lifted high to the rail. And again, out of the pack elite, we got Sawinski coming out of the pack late. Sawinski, number 5, is hurrying. Nobody saw her but us. There's 1, 2, 3, that's 2 each. And they fly right in there for 10. That's 10 in my book. That's 10 in my book. And the Thunderbirds are roaring back. Nobody's going to stop this spirit. These are the Vega got out and was joined by Sawinski. And despite the roughness and the defense, they walked in there for 10.